Hi there, my name's Amanda if you haven't met me before. I'm a professional hair model and today I'm going to be talking about why you should be spending more time doing your nails than you spend doing your makeup. Now this might be controversial to some people, and when I ran it past a friend of mine she was just like, come on, no one's going to buy this. But by the end of it, after I told her my points, she was sold. So let's see what you think. Number 1. Makeup is bad for your skin. I think pretty much everyone agrees on this. Best thing you can do for your skin is put on some moisturiser, let it breathe, and your skin will thank you for it. Nail polish, however, is a different story. One of the best things you can do to protect your nails is wear polish. Yes, it's good to put oil on your nails to condition them now and then, but ultimately, nail polish acts as a barrier between you and the world. If you don't want to break a nail, if you want your nails to be strong, you need to help them out. Nail polish is good for your nails. Makeup, not good for your skin. Number 2, it lasts longer. Now you do your makeup in the morning, maybe you give it a bit extra for the evening, but whatever happens, that makeup is only on for that day, and the next morning you wake up and you've got to do it all again. Whereas with your nails, you'll wake up tomorrow and they should be looking just as fab as they were the night before. Obviously, nail polish doesn't last forever, but I would say my nails last sort of between 5 and 7 days, and that's a lot better than just every single day. Number 3, kind of linked to the last one, your nails are much more resilient than your makeup. Think weather conditions. You might spend all that time on your makeup, you are looking sensational, but you step outside, it's raining. If you live in London where I live, drizzle coming at you from all angles, your mascara starts to smudge or your foundation runs, might be humid. Not just the weather either. Maybe you decide to do a workout in your lunch break or go for a swim. There's loads of different things that can happen and your makeup's not going to stay there all day. Whereas your nails, so much more resilient. Number 4. Now you could argue this one way or the other, I guess, but I would say your makeup requires so many more products and they're so much more expensive. Think concealer, foundation, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, blush, bronzer, highlighter, powder, setting spray. I mean, the list goes on and on. You know how many makeup products you use on your face, you know how much they cost. Whereas your nails, it can vary, but you can do your nails so inexpensively at home. This polish is a really inexpensive one from Superdrug. It's called Studio London, I think it's their own brand, and it's in the colour matcha, which I'm really loving. Thought it was really fresh for spring. And it costs £3.99. Yeah, I've put a top coat on and some hand cream, but it's not anywhere near as many products as you need to do your makeup, just on a daily basis. Number 5, it's meditative. Now for me, I just enjoy painting my nails, and maybe that's not the same for everyone. I do my nails at a table and I have my laptop in front of me and I watch YouTube usually. You can't do that when you're doing your makeup. You need to be looking in the mirror, concentrating. If anyone ever does liquid eyeliner, you know the stress that that causes. So nail polish is just a more fun thing to do and a nicer way to spend your time. Therefore, why not spend more time doing it and less time on your makeup? Number 6. Now this is a big one for me. As you go about your daily life, you can see your hands all the time. They're in front of you, they're in your lap, you're using a phone, you're typing, whatever it is you're doing, unless you're wearing gloves, your nails are there. You can see your hands, you can appreciate your work all day. But your face isn't the same. Most of us, anyway, don't spend a lot of time looking in the mirror. We might glance ourselves as we walk past the mirror, just check a few times a day. But we're not walking around constantly looking at our reflection. So for me, you do your nails and you really are able to appreciate them throughout the day. So maybe we do our makeup more for other people and our nails more for ourselves. I don't know, I'd be interested to hear what other people think about this one. 7. It's quite awkward for people to compliment you on your face. Whereas it's more socially acceptable to compliment somebody on their nails or make a comment, ask what nail polish they're using. So it's kind of a nice conversation starter and people really pick up on it. So not only is it nice for you to look at all throughout the day, but other people really notice it as well. And finally, number 8, it's so much easier to change your nail polish look than it is your makeup. I don't know about you, but I pretty much wear the same makeup and it very rarely changes. I do make some tweaks here and there, but generally what suits you, suits you. So that's what you're going to stick with. It makes sense. With nails, not everything is going to suit every skin tone, but you've got so much more freedom. There's so many different options to choose from. It's much more forgiving. You can play around and just change things up. It's so easy to do. And while I might like to wear a completely different makeup look, that would be quite difficult for me to achieve. And at the end of the day, I don't know if it's going to suit me. So there you have it. I'm sure there's loads more reasons as well. I'd love to know what you think. So please let me know in the comments below. Has this made you think differently about taking some time to do your nails? And if you like doing your nails, then you're in the right place. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. I've got loads to come. Tips and tricks that I've picked up from some amazing manicurists, thoughts, nail polish techniques, honest nail polish reviews, and giving you loads of advice on how to look after your nails. I'm not promising perfection here, but I can promise you'll be in good hands.